Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to edit picture layers in FlexClip. On the editing page, hover over a picture and click the Add as Layer button to place it on the canvas. You can add as many picture layers as you like. Once added, you'll find a variety of editing tools at the top of the canvas to customize your picture layers. Click the Edit button to access multiple options on the left panel. Here, you can apply filters or adjust the color grading to enhance your image. Under the advanced options, you can add a stroke effect, blur the image, transform its style with AI, convert it into a video using the video generator, remove the background, or even create a 3D animation. You can also crop the picture into different shapes, flip it, adjust the opacity, and add borders or shadows. Click the animation button to apply motion effects to your picture. Or simply choose an inside motion for quick animation. If you'd like to change the image, click the Replace button and select a new one. On the canvas, you can drag to rearrange images, adjust layer order, align them, lock specific layers, duplicate pictures, or delete them. To control timing, click the Timeline button. There, you can adjust the duration of each picture layer. Now, let's preview the result. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.